Hi everybody, I'm back with an unboxing of the Planner Society's August 2018 kit, Planner Society kit, and oh my gosh, look at all the goodies. I can't wait to dive in and show you, but I first want to say that I have actually already played with this kit and have created a whole setup. I've used this whole kit, every little piece, except I haven't used all my washi and I didn't use all the ink from this, and I still have some post-its, of course, because you've got oodles of it, and then I could still use this stamp. But other than that, I literally used every little piece of this kit plus the bags. So let's dive into the unboxing. I'll be right back. Okay, let's start off with the papers. You get 6 8.5 by 11 double-sided, so these are the back sides. Love these prints. I love them. Look how cute. I had such a hard time, actually it was very easy using these papers, but I had a hard time choosing what to use with what. And you get three specialty papers, so 2 vellum. So this is a nice floral vellum, and then you've got this pink that has this rose gold foiling on it. This is like one of my all-time favorite foil vellums ever. And then I always love these types of like spotty dotted foiling, and this is a rose gold side, but if you wanted to use more of a pink side, just use the other side. There's no right or wrong side, it's whatever you want. So I love these papers this month. Then we've got these to make pen clips, so the binder clips with the elastics, and this if you just use some E6000 or hot glue. I prefer E6000, and just measure your pen. I'm sure there's tutorials on that, but if you comment below I can do a tutorial of that, of course. And then one of my favorite products this month was a new one, and it's these puffy stickers that are like this rose gold metal looking. I had no problem using every little piece of this, and I'm so glad I have an extra set. And Christy actually did a setup with Planner Girl going this way, so that I have to make another dashboard, of course. But these are just absolutely gorgeous. Next we have these laser cut pockets that you can use in your planner, any type of planner. I know I'm using these in a personal wide ring, but you can use them in your TNs. Just mount them on your dashboards. They have like a slight shimmer to it. It's hard to see on the camera, but it's there. I love these. And even this backer card. I think I used this backer card to make my pen, my dashboard in the back. Like your page flipper, and I put the binder clip to make a pen loop on it. So I will definitely do a flip through of my setup later. So this is the post-it notes. I just love this gold foiling accent on here, and definitely of course the backer card. Love these. And then these cute little clips, and actually I didn't use this on the top. I actually stuck them on the bottom as page markers, so I'll share that with you too. So you could use these on the side, the top, the bottom, doesn't matter. And Christy included a stamp in this month, and in case you didn't know, these are actually trackers, so habit trackers, so you can like color in for water, for feed your kids. I don't know, I'm just kidding, but like some type of habit tracker, so you can stamp the mug, you can put the word in there, you could just put the habit tracker, anything. And then we've got one of my favorite items are the tabs. They're always one of my favorite, and actually in my setup for August I show how I used it in 3 or 4 different ways I used this, so I think that'd be a great video when I film it and I post it. You have 2 sets that for front and back, but you don't have to put it front and back. I do, but that's preference. And you can also use these in other ways too, not just on these tabs, which I'll show in my flip through too. So we have, these are so gorgeous because there's actually gold foiling on them. So I love the prints, just love them. I really wish the camera could pick up the foiling that's on here. you'll be able to catch it, but these boxes are foiled. So again, one of my favorite items that I look forward to in every kit are these tabs. They're so versatile. So next we have the die cuts, which I loved this month. I love the different style of quote cards this month. This one says, "Today will never come again. Enjoy every moment." And of course, these are all rose gold foiled. "Home is where your story begins. Be your own kind of beautiful. And in a world where you can be anything, be kind." Seriously love this style. I actually made this into a magnet page marker, which again, I'll show in my flip through. And then we've got all these die cuts, and I was able to use every little piece of these in my planner setup. I can't wait to share that with you guys in the next video. Dress, I mean, they're just so many. Look, my favorite word, hello. They're so cute. Love it. And then let's swoosh that on the side. Of course, a pen and the rose gold detail on here and all the soft baby pinks on here. Love it. Oops, I didn't even write with it yet, but I think it's gorgeous. And then, oh yeah, let's do the washi tape. Oh, let's do the stickers. So then we also have the stickers, which these are the stickers that come in the kit, and I'll compare these with the box sticker kit, which is an add-on, and the sticker kit, that's an add-on. But these stickers are included in the Planner Society kit, so included in everything I just showed you. So you've got some decorative stickers here, some banners, and these are habit trackers in the vase again, and these all have like rose gold foiling in it, and then these words, love them. Oops. And so I will compare these with the other sticker kits, but let's do our final item, which is the beautiful floral washi. Let's see where we get started. And this I will compare it to the other washi kits. So not the other washi kits, the washi kit, which is an add-on to the main kit. So, or you can purchase it separately. So we've got this washi tape comes in the kit. And then let's see, where does this one start? So I took off the plastic off of all of these, but I didn't get it started, so it's taking me a little while to find it. So there we go. So the washi kit comes with 3 different washi tapes. Ugh. Help me, help me. Why can I not? There it is. There it is. There we go. Okay, so this washi comes included in the Planner Society kit, and these 3 are in the washi kit, and they are an add-on. Love them. I love how they coordinate. They are gorgeous. So let me remove these. Okay, so the other add-on kits are the sticker kit, and then this is the box sticker kit. And I already showed you these are the stickers that come included in the Planner Society kit. So I will leave this here, and we will go through the box sticker kit. So these are boxes that you can use, page flags, hearts. We've got headers over here, which are rose gold. I love that you still get some decorative on the box sticker kit. These are my favorite, the clipboards. And then we've got half boxes, quarter boxes, and washi strips here. And then we've got these. This is the sticker kit. So let's see. These are so gorgeous. You've got the days of the months, maybe some frequently used words. You've got some adorable page flags. I love the bows, habit tracker. You've got these types of header boxes, because you can still write inside here what they are or what they're for. Days of the week, header boxes, and then icons, more page flags, check boxes, and then some page Okay, these are page flags, these are check boxes, and then we've got the bows, and you can fill in over here. So this is the sticker kit, this is the box sticker kit, and these are the stickers that come in the Planner Society kit. So once again, as always, thank you so much for bearing through this video, the unboxing, and I can't wait to share my flip through and a project that I made in there. So happy planning, everybody. Bye.